Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Paddle shifters let you control gears manually while keeping your hands on the wheel and maintaining steering control. In a Subaru Legacy, pull the right paddle to upshift and the left paddle to downshift. The dash shows the selected gear and recommended shift points. For everyday driving, shift up at 2, 503, 500 RPM for smooth acceleration and engine efficiency, and avoid redline near 6, 500 RPM to prevent engine strain and transmission protection intervention. Pull the right paddle to upshift and the left paddle to downshift quickly and smoothly. Don't hold a paddle, use quick taps for single gear changes. When downshifting, match revs by a brief throttle blip or allow the transmission to auto-blip so the engine speed aligns with the lower gear. If you need to move multiple gears, use 1 2-second pauses between shifts for smoother transitions, watch the tachometer, and avoid aggressive downshifts below 200 RPM, which can lug the engine. Use paddle shifters for engine braking on descents to reduce brake wear. Downshift 1 or 2 gears to increase engine braking effect and control speed. Don't upshift into the red line or downshift, causing RPMs above 6, 500 RPM to protect the engine. If the transmission prevents a shift, it is guarding the drivetrain. Disable manual holds and return to D for slippery roads or when using adaptive cruise control. And always use paddles with both hands on the wheel and eyes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.